lesson. In our previous lesson, we studied about introduction to accounting. And we said accounting is an information system. And we also said that accounting records only those transactions which can be quantified in monetary terms. In this lesson, we will study functions of accounting. Our objective for this lesson is that by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to state at least 3 functions of accounting. Let's start our studies by looking at the first function of accounting is collecting and recording relevant economic data about an entity. Accounting collects and records relevant economic data, and it collects the data from source documents. The source document provides information about the transaction, such as the date, the parties involved, the amount, and the people that owe the parties involved, the amount, and any other relevant information. Some of the source documents are invoice, receipts, pay-in slip, these source documents, they are the basic input into the accounting information system. After collecting the data from this source document, the data is then recorded chronologically in the books of prime entries, or sometimes we call them books of original entries or day books. The second function of accounting we look at is analyzing, classifying, and summarizing the data gathered and recorded. After collecting the data and recording them in the day books, we classify. Classification is where we collect similar data at one place by opening accounts in the ledger. A ledger is basically a book where accounts of the same nature are kept. After classifying the data, we summarize. Summarizing the data involves the preparation of financial statements, such as income statement to measure the performance of the business, balance sheet to show the financial position of the business, statement of cash flows to show the inflows and the outflows of cash. After summarizing the financial statement, the financial statements are then communicated to interested parties for decision making. After the financial statements have been summarized, they are then interpreted, and the result is communicated to interested parties for decision making. The information is communicated through financial statements and other reports. The financial statements must be or must show the truth. They must be fair and must report the true and fair view of the financial state of affairs of the business. In this lesson, we studied about the functions of accounting. And we said the 3 basic functions of accounting are 1, collecting and recording relevant economic data. Then 2, analyzing, classifying, and summarizing. And after summarizing, we interpret and we communicate the information to interested parties for decision making. In our next lesson, we will study the purpose of accounting. See you in the next